One Eze for Imo State, a place where they call Orodo. No be small thing, no, this Eze name, they call him Eze Ohiri. They say that this Eze Ohiri don't become a customer, give to unknown people where they call kidnap him every time. The man don't become a very big customer to this group of people where they come carry him every now and then. This thing they happen for Imo State. As that one they happen, oh guys, 2024 is boss high. Any police will stop you, will want blackmail you as a Biafra, may you do transfer. Omo, you do the transfer. Oh, may everybody try to get all those small camera they carry am for body so that we go know the face of the people, the last place where we see you last. Like this, where we don't bring 3 or 4 people, other ones go run. Let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. I beg, may you share this video because this is a special video. Share this video. This information is coming from our brother where they call on Sonkwa. We're there today to bring you update. May you know what in the happen for inside Imo State. They say One Eze, where they call Eze Ohiri, they don't finally carry him again, and they don't carry this man many times. They give them money till they come outside, but right now they don't come carry him again. This Eze Ohiri, and this thing they happen for Imo State. This kind of story for Imo State don't become a story of the day every day. The question what would they ask? Waiting hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, they do concerning this, and most times they go trace all those things because he say no be even kidnap and I carry those people. Now people where they call anti-corruption, anti-whatever they call the anti-crime or whatever they call themselves. No be smart, you know, this now waiting they happen for Imo State, the place where they call Imo State for Eastern Nigeria. My people, let's watch the video before we come back and proceed. Watch this video from beginning to end and hear waiting our brother talk for this video we want to show you right now.
Adema ụmụnnem ndị Imo achọrọ m ime ka ndị mmadụ mara they just kidnapped Eze Ohiri now. They just kidnapped Eze Ohiri again. Eze Ohiri of Orodo in Mbitoli. They just kidnapped Eze Ohiri now as I'm talking to you now. That was the news I'm with right now. You know, here I think here almost the second or the third time and they kidnapped this man. Yeah, almost the second time or the third time and they kidnapped Eze Ohiri. You know, all these things keep happening. Madam and Lotazin only relax here. Madam and Lotazin, most all of us live in America. Most all of us live in Europe. You know, I am a Lotazi village. Because the police, the commissioner for police should swing into action immediately. The commissioner for police, please swing into action immediately and rescue Eze Ohiri, the former Ezimo of Imo State. Bika Roka Enario. Kademanachiba no zon keta ndabala wala na si no grief for anybody, no grief for anybody ekwemekwe. No grief for anybody ekwemekwe, especially when it comes to intimidation. No grief for anybody for intimidation. Onyo sokwara yawo. Let nobody intimidate you. Ekwekwele jikwele uja dare enwe enu. This year, no grief for intimidation. One atrai pala try no wa do na mona gala bono. As far as the 2024 is concerned, you know, give were ojo, were mere man transfer 1 million, mere man transfer 50,000. You know, I can't argue one place, it's like how on the police. Can't argue, na make intimidate. Now say aganya wage Biafra flag nolu. Aganya say hanya wage ya. Guys, say hanya wage ya. I'm telling you, no grief for anybody. Oh, intimidation haja abia. Abia heje wete Biafran flag. He wete kehana abia. Here, but okay, you know, domi ni hugi. Mewe give video. What is your name? This and that. This is one hache give video ni hu. Say ha ehona ihu nu chere ni hu. Unno wonder ashi. I no go grief for una. That is the only thing you can do. Me am ena nga na eme na ario biko na eme anwona ga egbuole ga efuole gi. Guy, no be like that they kill. No be like that they don't. How many anya no nebe ha no now, especially in Imo State. Nkeba pam yala. I'm telling you the truth. Nkeba pam onyake ya diocha. Go. So don't grieve anybody. How would flag if Biafra Nyawagi see we go kill you if you not do transfer. One day, see how we're gonna have 20, Hanya Jogi no 20. Oh yes, Hanya Jogi no 20. No grief for anybody. This year, no grief for anybody. Ta. Onye usungu. Mbawuro la hamuga agala guy. Acho mi buye gimoda. When they threaten you, they will do this, they will do that. Ababu fuege, bogi u ESN, bogi u Biafra, bogi u IPOB, this and that. Where ha nyamagi nishi, where trouser nyamagi nolu, this and that and this. Guys, say ha nyawage ha. No green make a transfer. I want to transfer in me. See ha nyawagi the thing. Ha nyawagi anolu. Make one video. Keep what hit or you. Now, no green. No green for anybody. Onye ọbụla kparịrị gị this year. Ma ọ bịara na Facebook kparịa agụ, ọ bịara na WhatsApp kparịa agụ, ọ bịara guy, no grief for anybody. No, they tell me say you big gentleman. No gentleman for 2024. Guy will so nya guy. Ask him give the person hara. That gonya that na give 1 million raised to power 20,000. Yes, will so nya this year. Guy anya charge this year. Mad erikwele this year. Probably last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, because it's rock 2024. No grief for anybody. No grief for anybody. Makadanke wezoku 2024. Oh, onye ekwe, chi ekwe. Oh, 2024. Onye ekwe, chi ekwe. Magekwe, chiga gekwe. Oh, ha. As you they do your love for 2024. Guy, hapu go the wine to go. You see this 2024? Hapu go the wine to go. Hagaga beba sigi, I am hungry. Hagaga beba sigi, how are you? Gise, how are you? Hasigi, not fine. Once any woman who sigi not fine this year, block him. Any girl get on the Gise, how are you? Ne hafa na lo teri or say I'm not fine, I'm hungry. Block wire. Because from I'm not fine. Obasiwagi, choria 2K, chorum 5K, chorum 10K. Bia kowaragum bear, kowarago jikwe riberi for the past 3 weeks. Kowarago jikwe ojiri burono, kowarago jikwe webe shishi. Any girl also do this year, I am not fine. Block. Onya wala so go this year, I am not fine. Block. Oh, blocking. No grief anybody. 2024. Guy, no be mugo. Ha ha ha. Use your head. One day, use your head. And this year, we go question our representatives. Mande governor, mande senator, mande house of rep, mande house of assembly, mande community leader, mande president general, mande Eze, mande Bobo Tibo, mande councillor, mande Imo. We no go agree this year. This is the year you people must render account. That your representative na Abuja. Butunumbu nyere ego. Kazu tarandi constituency ihe. Joya ego tunumbu nyere about 55 million. Enyere ha. Si ha zuoro ndi constituency ha ihe. Jugode mo nwere ko nyere unu. O nwere ke wetere na constituency. That your representative na Abuja for the past how many months now? Nenwebe bill or passary. Nenwebe bill or support. Nenwebe mwili lake lusiki ya kuopura National Assembly. Joya hononga hemega. No grief for them this year. Mbaga bogo kubogas in the youth body, bogas in the youth organization. Where manya bushi alano, where rice bushi alano, where chicken bushi alano. Say no ngane erinu. I am your representative, right honorable this and that. Asim kam merun Christmas, asim kam meru. Hey bushi rice, bushi chicken, bushi anta, bushi mo. Make una no chop, make una no green chop. Juania. Your own political and the democratic dividend. Iya wara siya chorogo. Iya wo uzashia rorunu. Iya wo boho la shia bapodo bodo. Iya wo ego ho la shia wetero. Ask questions this year. No grief for them. No grief for them. No grief for them at all. Even that your brother, that your uncle, mba ulolo tagi sari amoto. Olotagi meni ekono bodo yibo. onwe hụ shishi ọ na-enye gị, onwe hụ otu o si akwalite ndụ gị, onwe otu o si eme affect ya life. Mgbe ọbụla ihe ọ na-achọwụ ọlọta ha na ya ebutere gị moto gaa saa anya ọlọta ha na gị zachara ụlọ, ọlọta ha na gị hichachara nta hichachara imo. No gree wash moto again, no gree wash car again. She uncle mere visa ma pụọ. Uncle, do visa for me, make I dey go America, make I dey go Canada. Uncle, I no wash car again. No grief for anybody. This is the year you must to capture your destiny by force or by thunder. This is the year you must to grab your destiny by hand. You must grab it by leg. You must to grab it by mouth. Auto will traditional grab destiny this year. It is in your hand. Grab them. No grief for anybody chori jiga abo koso. No grief for anybody chori jiga abo willow. No grief. This is the year for you to show them. You no go grief. Onye awala chori rugoro chori imregi ihe this year. Nwanne ya chime ya me. Orukwa na onye ahụ chi kwashi ito je enye giri ya kwashi ya. No grief. No grief for anybody to use your brain this year. No grief for anybody to use your mentality this year. No grief for anybody to make you vulnerable. No grief for anybody to use you front and right. You know, akwagili hushila left and right. You know, no grief. This is the year of no grief for anybody. No, I said no grief for anybody. I try. Come go tell them no grief for anybody. Tell them Jinewe. I only hater. But I thank God that Nigerians have finally realized that 2024 is their own year of no grief for anybody. No grief for anybody. I'm telling you, no grief for anybody. This year, 2024, no grief. Onye choka gini haremma this year, gini haremma. No beg anybody for friendship. No beg anybody for attention. Onye choka gini haremma this year. Mune gini haremma. Onye na choka nika gini haremma. Guy, bawado. No grief for anybody. Gini ka haje medrigi guy. Gini ko ya je kurogu. Guy, cool down. Uwa turn by turn. Omota hoje medrigi guy, you go get your own. Owola, you go build your own. What the job? No grief for anybody. Don't allow anybody use you, dump you. Because now when you agree, they go use you, they go dump you. No grief for anybody. Thank you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, I beg, may you share this video. Some video, not be video where we go talk too much, put. And may you leave your own opinion for inside comment section as it they heard. Because things where they happen for our state, you know, supposed to they happen like that. And that's why we they shout everywhere. Say, onye thing I come when not first year up here before, brokwa kamado. If you know, say you are all those people, we want turn Igbo land. To bury ground, I beg, may you commode that handle because their ancestors must strike you down. Now, so, my people, now waiting they happen for Imo State, now they tell you and they don't hear the advice. Where this our brother give. The one way if you take, may you take and the one way no if you take, may throw and come out. Live the best life that they want to live, my brother and sister, and so it be. May you share the video as you they heard. We will see you for the next update.